एबे हम डिस्कशन करबा फ्रॉम द फॉर्मल इन जार डिस्कशन करे पूर्व मु कहबी कि तळे मु लिंक दे दोची टेलीग्राम चैनल रो जॉइन करिले कोन ए सब पीडीएफ सब पाई परिबे सब फ्री रे आंसर सहित जॉइन करिले सब पाई परिबे डिस्कशन करबा प्रथम क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द फॉर्मल इन जार फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम डिस्कशन करबा what has been personified in the poem from the formalin jar the right answer hobo kon option b Vicky's brilliant brain next question whose brain has been personified the right answer hobo kon option c Vicky's brain has been personified what is Vicky's brain like kon semti kemti ka the right answer hobo kon na brilliant who is the speaker describing Vicky the right answer hobo kon option d Vicky's brilliant brain next question देखिबा where is Vicky's brilliant brain sitting कोड sitting करथला the right answer होबो कोन option b in a formalin jar next question how does Vicky brilliant brain feel in the formalin jar केमति फील होतला the right answer होबो कोन option c disdainful next question why is Vicky's brain on display in a human brain museum the right answer होबो कोन to promote gain of knowledge next question who do people stare at Vicky's brain how do people stare at Vicky's brain the right answer hobo kon again and again next question how does Vicky's brilliant brain feel when people call him a specimen the right answer hobo kon na option d very insulted next question how did Vicky's brilliant brain find the word specimen the right answer hobo kon na option c very insulting next question 11 देखिबा when was Vicky's brilliant brain part of a living human the right answer hobo kon na option a 2 years ago what was Vicky's brain part of di kon hobo the right answer na option d a living human next question what are the illness described in the poem which did not cause Vicky's brain to be in the formalin jar the right answer hobo kon stroke or tumor or box within next question how does Vicky's brain feel by ending up in the formalin jar the right answer hobo kon na option c chagrined annoyed dissatisfied what's according to Vicky's brain was Vicky's like or what does Vicky's brain say about Vicky the right answer hobo kon option a young boy smart and sane full of life and vigor next question what are Vicky's favorite subject the favorite subject kon thila Vicky ro the right answer hobo kon na option b computer and mathematics next question what was Vicky's motto in life the motto kon thila question number 17 no pain no gain next question देखिबा what was Vicky's love for his parents like केमति लव थला तारो the right answer होबो कोन excessive what was Vicky studying where was Vicky studying कोड से पढुतला the right answer होबो कोन option b in a college what was Vicky the right answer होबो कोन option d a college student 21 देखिबा which word says that Vicky loved his grandmother very much the right answer होबो कोन ना option a adored next question देखिबा हमें 22 who did Vicky steal a glance at in college who did Vicky steal a glance at the college the right answer होबो कोन option c Lorraine who was Lorraine question number 23 the right answer of a girl in Vicky's college next question देखिबा how did his heart feel when Vicky stole a glance at Lorraine केमसे फील करतला the right answer होबो कोन ना option b थोड़ next question who could only explain what happened to Vicky heart when Vicky stole a glance at Lorraine who could only explain के explain कर परतला ना the right answer होबो कोन option c Vicky's brain next question देखिबा on what day did Vicky go to his friend on his motorbike the right answer hobo kon na option a wet monsoon day next question why did he go to his friend's house kahi jethila the right answer hobo for a very ordinary task next question dekhiba where was his friend living the right answer hobo kon option a in the next lane next question dekhiba what offense did Vicky commit only once in his life the right answer hobo kon na option b not wearing his helmet next question What did Vicky refrain from doing for once in his life? The right answer हबो कौन? Option A, why? Wearing his helmet. Next question देखिबा. What happened to Vicky when he rode his bike without wearing a helmet? The right answer हबो कौन? Option met with an accident तार हो जाइतिला. Next question. What was accident like? How was the accident? The right answer हबो कौन? The आथर क्वेश्चन पड़छि. What was the accident like? How was the accident? The right answer हबो कौन? Gory and inhumane. Next question देखियो. Question number 33. What caused the death of young Vicky? Young Vicky रो काहे डेथ हेतला? The right answer हबो कौन? A stay in a moment, an unwanted silly moment. Next question देखिबा. Question number 34 देखिबा. How did the members of a Vicky family feel after Vicky's death? The right answer हबो option B, oppressed with pain. Next question देखिबा. How does the poet address the drivers? Next question देखिबा. How does the poet address the drivers? The right answer हबो कौन? Option A, as dear friends. Next question देखिबा. What is her advice to drivers? The right answer हबो कौन? Question number 36 रो option B, to take care and drive safe. What according to the poet can the risky driving be? The right answer हबो कौन? ना option C, the bane of one's life, the cause of misery of one's life. Next question. Why should one drive safe? Why should one drive safe? The right answer हबो कौन? Option A, to avoid making one's precious life useless. Next question. How many stanzas are there in the poem? Poem रे केतेटा stanza थिला? The right answer हबो कौन? Option D, 6 stanza. Next question देखिबा. What message does the poem give to the young generation? The right answer हबो कौन? Option B, to drive safe and to ride safe. Next question. How do you consider speaking riding his bike without wearing his helmet? Right answer हबो कौन? Careless riding, reckless riding. Vicky had a dash brain. Vicky had a co brain थिला तार. The right answer हबो कौन? Brilliant brain. The poem opens with the word dash. The poem opens with the word dash. The right answer हबो कौन? High. Next question देखिए. Question number 44. Vicky's brilliant brain is sitting in a Vicky's brilliant brain is sitting in a dash. The right answer हबो कौन? Formalin jar. Vicky's brilliant brain was dashed to promote knowledge gain. The right answer हबो कौन? Option C, on display. Next question. Vicky's brain feels that it is insulting to be called a dash. The right answer हबो कौन? Specimen. Next question देखिबा. 2 years ago Vicky's brain was part of a dash. The right answer हबो कौन? Option B, living human थिला. Next question देखिबा. Vicky was a young boy dash. Vicky was a young boy dash. The right answer हबो कौन? Option A, smart and sane. Next देखिबा. In college Vicky dash a glance at Lauren. कौन हेतला? Stole. कौन हबो? Option C, 49 रो stole. On a dash Vicky rode his bike to his friend. The right answer हबो कौन? Option D, wet monsoon day. Next question. Vicky rode his bike to his friend for a task of dash. केमती का टास्क थिला तार? Important, official, urgent, mundane. The right answer हबो कौन? Mundane. माने very ordinary. Next question. He met with an accident dash and inhuman. टी कौन हबो? Terrible, cruel, gory, heartrending. The right answer हबो कौन? Gory. Risky driving can be dash. Risky driving can be. The right answer हबो कौन? bane. Next question देखिबा. Question number 54. The poet tells the young driver to drive dash. कौन हबो? safe. Vicky's favorite subjects were computers and कौन? Mathematics. Next question देखिबा. Question 56. Vicky's dash in life was no pain no gain. कौन? motto. Next question देखिबा. Question 57. Vicky adored his grandmother dash and cane. Vicky adored his grandmother dash and cane. कौन हबो? wrinkles and cane. Vicky rode his कौन हबो? rode his bike to his friend in the next lane. Next question देखिबा. When Vicky stole a glance at Lorian, his dash went thud thud. कौन his brain एठी कौन अछि त राइट आंसर होबो कौन ऑप्शन ब्रेन एंड हार्ट his heart went thud thud. Next question. Each stanza of the poem from the formal in jar has dash lines. केतरे लाइन्स सब अछि एथरे त राइट आंसर होबो केतना 4 lines. In the first stanza brain rhymes with dash. In the first stanza brain rhymes with dash. The right answer होबो कौन ना ऑप्शन ए distant. Next question देखिबा 62. Dash is the poet of the formalin jar. Formalin jar लेखक के थिले डॉक्टर रीता एसमानी, सरोजिनी नायडू, विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ, सीएफ अलेक्जेंडर. द राइट आंसर होबो कौन 62 क्वेश्चन डॉक्टर रीता एसमानी. द ओपनिंग वर्ड हाई इज यूज्ड एज एटी कौन द ओपनिंग वर्ड हाई इज यूज्ड एज कौन होता राइट आंसर ए कॉलिंग टू गेट समबडीज अटेंशन एज ग्रीटिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द ब्रेन वाज पुट इन ए फॉर्मालिन जार एज ए डैश. केमती एटा रखिथिले ना सो स्पेसिमेन ग्रीटिंग टू अदर्स फाइन एंटरटेनिंग थिंग. द राइट आंसर होबो कौन ना ऑप्शन बी स्पेसिमेन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पीपल स्टेयर एट एंड डैश अगेन. पीपल स्टेयर एट कौन द ब्रेन और विकीज ब्रेन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा क्वेश्चन 66. The brain specimens preserved and displayed in the museum are usually affected by dash. The right answer होबो कौन ना various disease or disorders. Next question देखिबा हमें. Vicky's brain got no or dash or box within. कौन होता right answer 67 रो ना ऑप्शन ए stroke or tumor. Vicky was a young boy full of dash. Vicky was young boy full of कौन interest, dreams, life and vigor, aspirants become a poet. The right answer होबो कौन ऑप्शन सी life and vigor. Vicky was good at dash. Vicky was good at कौन ना computer and maths. कौन होबो computer and maths. Question number 70 देखिबा. Vicky's motto in life was no pain no gain. Vicky's love for his parents was truly कौन बेटी राइट आंसर ना ऑप्शन ए truly insane. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विक्की डैश इज ग्रैंडमा. विक्की कौन करथिला ता ग्रैंडमा को. ता राइट आंसर होबो कौन ऑप्शन ए आडोड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम देखिबा. रिंकल एंड केन इन द पोएम सिंबलाइजेस डैश. ऑप्शन कौन होबो 73 रो ना ऑप्शन सी होबो ओल्ड एज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओनली द डैश कुड एक्सप्लेन हाउ विक्की फेल्ट एट हिज फर्स्ट ग्लांस एट लॉरियन. ता राइट आंसर होबो कौन ना ऑप्शन बी ब्रेन. किन थोड़ थोड़ होतला कोटा ना हार्ट होतला. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा. Vicky was studying in a कौन studying in a college. studying in a college sorry studying in university. studying in कौन हबो university. Vicky was studying in a sorry भूल करले. आथर क्वेश्चन अछि Vicky was studying in कौन फास्ट जोडा गल ठीक ला college university नो college. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Vicky referred from dash that day. Vicky refrained from dash that day. The right answer होबो कौन ऑप्शन डी wearing his helmet. Next question. all it took was stray moment dash profound in an meaningful fateful. The right answer होबो कौन ऑप्शन बी in an. Vicky died dash of illness from overeating from a wound in an accident. Next question. The accident took a young life and a dash family with pain. कौन होबो ठी राइट आंसर ना द राइट आंसर होबो ऑप्शन बी crossed a family with pain. The accident took a young life and crossed a family with pain. Next question. Life is dash useless full of sorrow precious temporary. तो कौन होता राइट आंसर लाइफ इज ऑप्शन डी precious. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 81 देखिबा कौन अछि. डैश कैन कॉस्ट अस आवर लाइफिंग केयरफुल ड्राइविंग हेलमेट ड्राइविंग रिस्की ड्राइविंग केयरलेस. एटा रिस्किंग ड्राइविंग और केयरलेस ड्राइविंग.